this is another sari that I really appreciate, even after it being so bright and vibrant. Uh, जो sarees हैं इस lot में, I will actually call all of them my favorites क्योंकि संबलपुरी collection I was bringing after a long time and I wanted this collection to be very much selective, and the sarees to be such that I should be able to wear it and flaunt it very proudly. So yes, हर साड़ी में कुछ ना कुछ खास है and I really like it. I hope आपको भी पसंद आए. This is again one of the double ikat sarees. फुल साड़ी में यू विल सी डबल इकत वर्क एंड आई शो यू. ये जो ग्रिड्स बने हैं दीज ऑरेंज एंड ब्लू ग्रिड्स, यू कैन सी हाउ वाइब्रेंट दे आर. ये पूरा डबल इकत पे ही बना है एंड आई शो यू द feathering lights as well. You can see यहाँ पे भी and you can see यहाँ पे भी. Both sides you see the feathering of yarn. So this is a double ikat work. यहाँ पे भी on this pattern, ये जो पोसापली pattern and this geometrical pattern you see, this is also done using double ikat. This flower, yes, this flower in the middle, that is done in single ikat, okay, which is why you see maroon, blue and orange mix here. Means only blue color का dye होके this has become this color because it is mixed with orange. यहाँ पे blue color का yarn color हुआ था which got mixed with the orange and this color is created. You can see only this side of yarns feathering here. Okay, so ये मैंने बस आपके लिए क्लैरिफाई किया. I know as a seller I don't need to elaborate so much on individual sarees. Many people also might be feeling that I am making the videos so long and explanatory, but I really wish कि आप लोगों के लिए ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. This also helps you in the long run. जब आप कोई साड़ी के साथ, when you know the details of the sari, you associate with it much better. You get the emotional attachment and also you feel that you have spent on something that somebody has so lovingly worked for and somebody who has somebody has put in so much of work, so many of hours of work here. So I feel you should know आप क्या खरीद रहे हैं. एंड ऑल्सो दैट नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम मी, व्हेन यू बाय फ्रॉम एनीवन एल्स यू शुड बी अवेयर कि आप जो वट एवर दे आर टेलिंग यू, इफ इट इज करेक्ट और नॉट, if you have the knowledge you will know that. If you don't have the knowledge you will just accept whatever they are saying. Even मैं भी अगर आपको बिना explanation के बस बोल दूँ this is a double ikat sari, you will understand. Maybe somebody who is trusting me, they will just take it for granted and take it कि हाँ ये double ikat साड़ी है. But if I tell you the reason I am telling it, the proofs that I show you कि हाँ ये double ikat क्यों है, here is the proof, then you are confident and you can also explain it to anyone who is interested in your sari when you are wearing it. So that's my main motive, to make you aware of the process. So please bear with me. So this sari you can see यहाँ पे double layer में you can see two motifs in one grid and alternate you will see the double ikat and single ikat pattern here. और इसका जो color है it is not red, it is orange. Okay, it is orange and blue. The border is also in same orange as the body, and here you will see the fish and rudraksh pattern alternately, and inside you will see one layer of single ikat bandha pattern. And this sari is also without blouse piece. इसका जो पल्ला है again it's exquisite, it's very pretty. You will see curvilinear ikat patterns here, very delicately done. I'll show you close up as well as, yes, this view you can see so much work has gone here, and this is the close up. Beautiful, very pretty one again. So I'm closing this video here. बहुत लंबा हो गया है and if you like this sari you can just ping below. अगर कमेंट करने के बाद आपके पास इसका लिंक आ जाएगा एंड यू कैन बाय फ्रॉम देयर डायरेक्टली. बट येस, इफ you want to talk to me, you can ping me on WhatsApp or you can DM me or message me. I'll reply back. 8260607401, that is my number. There are more sarees uploaded on the website in the Sambalpuri cotton section. You can go there, you can browse and buy as well. If I get time, I'll make another video on few of them as well. और अगर आपको वो भी देखना है, just go to the website, or if you want me to share a detail of few of the sarees that you like on the website and I have not done a video on them, then let me know. I'll just show you the details in a video and you can understand hopefully from there. So yes, let's close this video here. I'll come back with more sarees, silks, cottons, both single ikat, double ikat, both. Stay tuned. Have a very good day. Bye.